Welcome in the kitchen, cooking with GMA. Today I have two special guests. You might know them if you follow them on Instagram or Facebook. So my first special guest is
Tamar, the middle sister.
yes, and my second guest today is
Sophie, the little sister.
yes. So Tama, tell us a little bit about you. What do you do?
I'm from Ottawa, but I live in Toronto. Toronto lifestyle. Big up my T-Dot people. What's up? Also the 613 Ottawa. Here in town for the holidays because it's the season holiday and family is very important. So we try to do activities together.
Yeah.
And in my spare time, I do event planning, organize events like kids' birthday parties to bigger events like 30th birthday or celebrating someone's special anniversary or any kind of celebration like that. So
What's the name of your event planning?
oh, it's Out of This World events. So if you guys know, our last name is Alien. So our events are out of this world.
Awesome, good. So if you guys need any type of event planning, give her a shout. Check her on Instagram. All right, we're gonna go to our second guest, Sophie. Tell us a little bit about you. If I know, you recently graduated from university.
Yes, I did.
All right, congrats. So tell us a little bit about you.
And not as fancy as Tamar.
Haha.
I'm plain and simple. I'm a graduate student. Still trying to figure out what's going on, but step by step.
Good. All right. For my two special guests, I'm going to make some chicken wings with some sweet potatoes and some regular potatoes and also some sweet plantains. These are going to be fried. The chicken wings are going to go in the oven, and we also have a nice salad, tomatoes and pear and the salad. Cooking in the kitchen with GMA and with my two special guests, my sisters. Stay tuned. Chicken. One is honey garlic and the other one is a spicy chicken. So we have using a jerk spice, and I'm also using pepper spice, so it's gonna be very, very spicy, and the other one's gonna be nice and sweet. So we have two different flavors. All right, so guys, it's gonna be really good. So we're mixing it. So you gotta mix it well, mix it all over. So this is the sweet and honey, and here we have the spicy one. Look at that, nice red sauce, that jerk in there.
So Johnny, why are you making two different hot wings? Two different wings?
Because I know one of my sisters is spicy, and the other one sweet like an angel. But I love them both. So I actually use the foil paper to separate the two flavored chicken to use the same container. So now we're about to put them in the oven. We have the oven at 350, and then you basically just pop them there and let it cook. Check it, every 10-20 minutes. So now we have the regular potato and the sweet potato with some oil. Now, just flavor. I'm actually using a chicken broth mix to give it some flavor. You can put some salt, but not too much salt in there. So one of my guests who's checking, she's hungry, always. So yeah, all right, so stay tuned. GMA. Yeah, so this is the last batch of the sweet plantain. The sweet potato and the regular potato are done. So we almost good. The chicken's in the oven. Look at that, it's bubbling, so you know it's getting hot. I would say in a couple more 20 minutes, flip it. Make sure you know all the sides are getting cooked. So yeah, dinner's almost ready. The cooking is done. The chicken wings, the two different flavors, the plantain, the sweet potatoes, and the regular potatoes are ready. My guests are about to eat. All right, so. Boom. I can make this.
Looks good. I'm the sweet one. You see? That jerk face right there. Busted. She's the jerk.
All right, so we have the two flavored chicken. Just to save, you know, to save space, so I actually use one container to cook it. So basically, I use the foil oil for
Foil? The same foil?
I use a foiling. I use the foiling paper to set. All right, so we have the two flavored chicken in one container. Chicken in one container. Basically, you know, I'm trying to save dishes so I don't spend the whole night doing dishes. I obviously want to spend some time with the sisters, so I actually use a foil. All right, so I have the two flavored chicken. Just to save, you know, save dishes, I actually use the foiling paper. Foil.
Foil paper.
Hey, wait, you dancing with me or you dancing with the wine?
I'm dancing with the wine.
Hey, GMA! Alright, cut. Another chicken wings.
Two different sisters.